Hey everyone, and welcome to EdTech Hustle. Today we are in Google AI Studio, and I'm going to show you how you can use AI to create some awesome images for free. So what you want to do first is go to aistudio.google.com. It's completely free to sign up. All you need is your Google account, and you're good to go. So what we're going to do once we're on the AI Studio website is just go over to the side where it says Generate Media. You can see that there's several different options, and I've demonstrated some of these already on my channel, and I'll even put the link right above at the top right hand side of the screen. But what we want to do is choose this option that says Imagen, create high quality images across multiple aspect ratios. So if you've ever created images before, this is just a brand new free option, but I find that the photos that this generates are amazing. So the first thing that you can do is off to the side, decide what run settings that you want. So as you can see, you can switch from a number of different models, but actually it looks like we're only limited to just one. But here's where you have your options. You can choose the number of results that you want. So you could have 4 photos. It will generate that 4 times and let you pick the option that works the best. And then you can choose the aspect ratio. So you can see this is just 1:1, 16:9, lots of different options for you. Now, because AI Studio is free, it does limit you to a certain number of generated images per day. So you may want to consider how many results that you want generated. But aside from that, that's just about it. This is the most recent model, Imagen 3, and let's generate a few photos. So right now I want to do maybe like a photorealistic image, and I'm going to ask for an aerial view of a volcanic island shaped like a phoenix, mid-eruption with lava forming wings. In just a few seconds, you can actually see the timer at the bottom right-hand side. Boom, there it is. And I gotta say, that looks pretty cool. Let me go check out the large view. There it is. You can see our volcanic island in mid-eruption, and the lava kind of forms like a volcano right over there. So pretty cool. Again, I just generated one image, but you can generate multiple images of this if you want. Now, if this is a photo that you like, what we can do is either download this as a photo file, we can copy it, or we can actually save it to our Google Drive. Once you go to AI Studio for the first time, it is going to have you connect your Drive account. Here it is, really clean, very good quality, and perfect for me to use for a video or maybe a presentation. All right, so now let's try another prompt. So this one, I'm going to try to make this a little bit more abstract. I'm going to say a person walking into a mirror that shows their past, future, and alternative selves in 3 reflections. So again, it should be interesting to see which image that AI Studio, or in this case Imagen 3, is able to come up with. So there it is. You can see our person. He's looking in the mirror. He sees his past and potentially his life in an alternative universe. So kind of a cool kind of image that's in here. Again, we could download this or export it if we want. Now, let's go ahead and move to a SciFi image. I'm going to say a humanoid robot painting a self-portrait in an abandoned art museum. And there we go. There is our humanoid robot painting that self-portrait in that art museum. Pretty cool, although I'm not sure how he's supposed to be holding this paint palette. I guess he's doing that on his waist. All right, now let's talk about some styles. So my next prompt is going to say, in the style of Studio Ghibli, a scene like Blade Runner as painted by Salvador Dali. And there we go. You can see some of this Dali imagery as well as that style of Studio Ghibli. All right, let's do one more. Now for this one, I am going to change the number of results. Let me just do 4 results, okay? I'm also going to change the style. I'm going to do a 16:9 view. And for this one, I'm going to use a Pixar style. So a wide-eyed, baby dragon wearing a firefighter helmet trying to blow out birthday candles with smoke puffs, and I specified a Pixar style. So ideally, these characters should look like a Pixar film, and you can see several different examples. Although our birthday text is a little bit messed up, as you're seeing here, but still, I think the quality of these images is pretty awesome. So, what you can do is go to Google AI Studio, use your Google account, and you can start generating images with Imagen 3 for free. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If this is something that you enjoy, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, or if you really like it, please feel free to leave a super chat as well. So thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.